Hi, mates. Welcome back to Treasure Tool Lab. We'll take a look at some more tools today. A little tutorial on how to use Treasure Tool Lab. This is where you bring your clues and you try to find a treasure based on the clues you found in your treasure hunt. No matter what treasure hunt it is. Several treasure hunts out there. There's Treasure Inside by John Collins Black. Beyond the Map's Edge with Justin Posey. You could go work on the old treasure hunt, The Secret. Those are just two of the main ones. There's also state treasure hunts, and like I said before, I think it's going to be the new philanthropy, so there'll be more treasure hunts to come, and there could be one near you. Today we're going to take a look at the Map plus Image Lab. Before we looked at the Map Lab, the Image Lab is going to let you lay images on a live map, adjust them, and try to make your solves come to life. And I want you to know that the Map Toolbox works in conjunction with the Map Image Lab. They like each other. They hold hands. So let's go ahead and open it here from the hamburger menu. And I have Lake Tahoe pulled up, a popular solve location for the past and future. People think that it might be in Lake Tahoe because Lake Tahoe is heavenly. I just skied Lake Tahoe this year and it was heavenly. Very steep, but heavenly. Now down here I have some tools. These are page tools here. I'm going to show you how they all work. But I also have a floating toolbox that you can use. You go up to the top here. You're going to be able to open the floating toolbox. Very mobile, move it around, get it out of your way. And if you close that, your page tools will come back to you on the bottom. So don't be afraid to exit out. You're not going to lose anything. And you can work back and forth. It's all about space and ease of access. So I like to use the floating toolbox, so I'm going to open it right now. And I'm going to show you how everything works, but we're going to go ahead and upload an image to the map. And I have John Collins past and future coin ready to roll here. Now let's take a look at the buttons. I have the select button. That's going to select your image, let you be working on the image that you select. Going to allow you to move it around. The lock button is going to lock your image into place. That way you can move the map. No matter where you move it, it stays put. And that's going to help you if you laid another image in there. You want to lock this one in place where you've put it because you put it in a specific location. You're going to lock it into place. You can lock it, unlock it. Obviously, here's the upload button where we upload the images from. And our adjust button is going to allow us to make our image transparent so we can see the map behind it. Make it very faint. You can bring it all the way back, whatever you need to do. You can also rotate it from a slider or the rotation handle up here. And you can also resize it. There's a lock on the corner of the image. You could stretch it and manipulate it how you like to. But we're going to leave it normal right now. And we're going to relock it so it stays put and we don't stretch it the wrong way. So let's go ahead and take a look at more of the layers here. We can flip it, turn it around. Mirror the image, rotate it. We also have undo and redo buttons up here, so we can go undo everything we just did. Now we're back to square one. I have an eraser. You can go in here and use the eraser and erase some of the image. Select what you want to erase with. I'm not going to erase anything right now, but let's take a look at more of the buttons here. You can also blur the image, write text on the image if you need to label it, label locations, whatever you need to do. And here's your layers here. Your image becomes an object, and you're going to have, if you have multiple images, you're going to have multiple images listed here. If you have multiple images, you could select that image that you're trying to work on. If you're working on a different image, you'll go select it. You can name the image. You can center it up. You can also lock it from here. Lock and unlock. Same as the unlock and lock button here. I just wanted multiple places to grab a lock button. If you have multiple images, you can move this image up or down in front of the other images or behind. You can also delete the image from here if you're tired of it and it wasn't working out. It wasn't doing what you thought it was going to do. So let's center it up here on the border. I may have stretched it a little bit, but man, this thing does fit the border quite well. Maybe people are right about old Lake Tahoe. You never know. So I want to show you how the map toolbox also works in conjunction here. Here the map toolbox popped up. And you can add shapes to the map with your image. I'm going to go ahead and grab a protractor here. And as I said before, it doesn't matter what size your protractor is. If you put a straight line across this 120 right here, and you resize this, it's going to stay 120. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. The angles are true and correct. So let's go ahead and go in, and we're going to put a straight line on the protractor. We're going to get a look at 120 degrees because that is one of the longitudes and latitude numbers in the corner of the state line right here. Notice up here 120 and 39. So we're going to go ahead and rotate that around. I'm going to go down here to my objects. I'm going to go ahead and lock in my straight edge. And I'm going to go ahead and lock in that protractor. Lock it as well so it can't move around. We've got it set where we want to. Now all this is hypothetical, folks. This is just a demo here I'm doing for you. Just to try to take a look and show you how to use the tools. So remember, your shapes are in your map toolbox. Your image is over here. So now you will need to go and select your layer to be able to manipulate your image again. So I hope that gives you a little jump start here. There's other adjustments in the toolbox to allow you to mess with the image a little bit. You can turn it black and white. You can mess with the saturation, brightness, darken it up, a little bit of hue. You also have your search bar. You can search the map for locations, put coordinates in, or just search towns. And remember, you also have on map options in the toolbox over here. You can go in and lay your grid for longitude and latitude. Turn that on and off. One thing you can't do is turn the HUD menu on and off in ImageLab. That is only for Map Tool Lab. You can get rid of your shapes here from the toolbox. You've got complete access to all your shapes and complete control from this toolbox here. So I hope that helps you get jump started on using this. Everything's really intuitive, and I hope this helped you find your treasure, folks, and I hope you can take your solves, go find your locations on Google Map or Google Earth and bring them here and test them out. And Happy hunting, folks. I hope you find your treasure. And remember, your treasure might be sitting right beside you in your living room or a phone call away.